Hello and welcome back to Health for You. If you're struggling with thinning hair, bald spots, or constant shedding, today's video may surprise you. We're going to talk about a natural, science-backed remedy that has been used for centuries, but has recently gained new attention thanks to modern studies. It's simple, affordable, and can be done right in your kitchen. I'm talking about onion juice. Yes, the common onion you probably have in your pantry could hold the key to restoring your hair. Before you dismiss it, hear me out. Most of us are skeptical when we hear about so-called miracle hair treatments. But onion juice is different because it's not just folklore. It's supported by real science, clinical trials, and clear biological mechanisms. The secret lies in the nutrients found inside the onion. Hair is made primarily of keratin, a protein that requires sulfur to form its structure. Onions are one of the richest natural sources of sulfur. When applied to the scalp, sulfur provides the raw material your body needs to strengthen and rebuild keratin. Onions, especially red onions, are loaded with quercetin, a plant flavonoid with multiple benefits for hair health. It helps regulate the immune system, suppressing T-cell attacks that cause autoimmune hair loss conditions such as alopecia areata. It stimulates growth factors at the follicle level, encouraging dormant follicles to wake up. The compounds in onion juice increase blood flow to the scalp, ensuring that follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, creating the perfect environment for growth. In a study published in the Journal of Dermatology in 2002, researchers tested onion juice on patients with alopecia areata. After just 6 weeks, 86.9% of the onion group showed significant hair regrowth, compared to only 13% in the water group. That's not a small difference, it's dramatic. In animal studies, scientists separated quercetin from onions and applied it directly. Mice treated with quercetin showed complete regeneration of hair follicles. Now let's get practical. How do you make this at home? Start with an organic red onion. These contain the highest amount of quercetin. Chop the onion into small pieces and put it into a blender. Blend until smooth, creating a thick slurry. Use a cheesecloth or fine strainer to separate the juice from the pulp. Store the juice in a clean container, like a mason jar. That's it. You now have your hair growth tonic ready. Here's the step-by-step method. Go into the shower and wet your hair first. Take the onion juice and massage it gently into your scalp for 2-3 minutes. Focus on the roots because that's where the follicles are. After massaging, leave the juice in your hair for at least 30 minutes. For best results, leave it for a full hour. Now here's where things get even more exciting. Rosemary. Essential oil has been shown in a 2015 clinical trial to work just as effectively as a leading hair loss medication. Just add 5 drops of rosemary oil to your onion juice before applying. Combined with onion juice, it creates a synergy that targets hair loss from multiple angles. This is the advanced version of the recipe. Pour the juice into a mason jar. Add 8 ounces of water, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and half a teaspoon of raw honey. Cover the jar with cheesecloth and leave it on your counter for 72 hours. During fermentation, beneficial microbes will increase vitamin content. While topical treatments like onion juice are powerful, you can't ignore internal factors. Research shows that vitamin D deficiency is strongly linked to hair loss. Make sure you eat foods rich in protein, healthy fats, zinc, iron, and B vitamins. Leafy greens, eggs, fish, seeds, and nuts should be staples. This is one of the most common questions people ask. The good news, if you rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice, your hair will not smell like onions. Of course, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. Some people may have mild skin sensitivity to onion juice. Onion juice may sound too simple to be true, but the science and the results speak for themselves. If you stay consistent, using the juice twice a week for at least 6 weeks, you'll likely see regrowth. So, before you spend hundreds of dollars on commercial products or risky treatments, why not try nature's remedy? It could be the turning point in your hair growth journey. Thank you for watching Health for You. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Stay tuned for more natural health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.